Look at this. There's 3,195 people in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, if you're here because you want to get rich and quit working a 9-to-5 job, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the market. That's the important news. Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to make some money, jumping right into the market today in crypto. Hit that like button, leave a comment in the comment box. Bitcoin moving higher. So now Bitcoin's basically stuck at this resistance level. So we talked about this white falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside. It did. You kind of have a little bit of a double bottom here if you see that. We talk about these all the time. It's double bottom. Now, so if this can get confirmed, essentially a break above this level, we could see a move to 9,800, 9,900. And just to kind of paint this picture, if we do see a break above that level, right? So if this is confirmed, and you just have to really take it level by level, but we have to assume that the price action continues in this pattern, right? This rising channel. Okay, so essentially that would mean a move up here to 10,500 as a possibility. Okay, long term. And this is not going to be a straight line, more than likely. You know, this is going to work its way slowly up here to the upside. Just want to make sure and remind you guys that right now my trading group is 40 to 50% off when you pay in crypto for 6 or 12 months. Also, with 12 months, you do get 1 month free additional to that. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. This, again, just kind of a zoomed in version. We had this falling wedge, a small falling wedge broke to the upside. Now Bitcoin's stuck at 9,550. 9,700 is next, 9,800 to 10,000 after that. And again, like we talked about. Now the RSI, possible double top on the RSI. So it needs to cool off. It needs to flag or possibly a pullback. If it pulls back slightly and we get a retest, we talk about retests all the time. It would give it, brings new buyers in the market and would give it room for more upside. But a little flag, if it kind of just consolidates for a period of time, give these altcoins a chance to take off a little bit more. Bitcoin 1-hour chart, falling wedge broke to the upside. I got some amazing shout outs to my trading group. This stuff is amazing. Like, thanks to you, my debt is history. I have a healthy $12,500 profit in 3 weeks. Over 8 of your gem trade picks. Killed it with ERD. This guy paid off all of his debt. All of his debt. He's not even in the group. He just watches the channel. You guys, I've gotten a lot of emails. I've gotten a lot of thank you letters. It means a lot to me to get that from you guys because, dude, I'm telling you, pulling like these long days, it's easy when I see that I'm helping people make life-changing money. Life-changing money is paying off all your debt, period. Huge gains in the channel. This person just joined the group. He's up $12,000 in profit. He bought the Cody idea back in June Next person just joined the group. So happy, I'm understanding the signals. I've made profit with Doc and Anchor. Next person, can't believe what I'm seeing. I entered the trading group today. I already paid off the price of the trading group. A lot of this news coming out right now is pumping this market crazy. Bots pick up this news, okay? So it's important to get it real quick, you know? So that's obviously an advantage being in the trading group. YouTube, I only make these videos every 24 hours, but still, it's not really necessarily about catching the initial pump. Okay, there's money to be made there, but midterm holders are going to make more money than traders right now. Traders are going to miss a lot of these moves because you get these big pullbacks and these big pumps, and I'm not saying hold it for a year. I'm saying hold it to the top and sell and take profits. iExec released the first part of version 5. So they came out and they made these upgrades, a powerful tool for DeFi. As soon as this hit, boom, RLC took off and pumped on this news. Chromia came out and they said, hey, we got a big update coming. They have relational blockchain that can enable the United States Air Force to build rich applications on their ledger. It integrates and combines the effort with the Marines, Navy, and more. Big updates coming. Chromia, CHR. I gave you guys this setup previously. Anchor. I've given you guys this setup. This was actually a couple days ago. I talked about this news. Anchor's up 23% from the date that this news was given. IOST making strides in DeFi. Anything DeFi that comes out, bots pick it up and buy. So guess what? If you want to chase news pumps, if that's your strategy, I don't know how sustainable it is. I want to put some technical analysis, some technicals behind it. But IOST making strides in DeFi. Now, shout out to this person, my trading group. He said, dude, look at his little setup. Most people that join the group have never traded before. And I'm big on, hey, let's get organized. This is a business. He's got a little trading station set up. You know, people start out with one screen, right? Some people even start out trading on their phone. It's all about reinvesting your profits and getting a nice setup with Chromia CHR. So I gave you this setup July the 15th. Chromia, well, actually it's up 82% in 7 days. Boom. Huge gains on the YouTube channel. Huge gains in the trading group. That's what this is about, dude. This is about life-changing money. Like, if you want cryptotainment, this might not be the channel for you. If you come into this market to make a ton of money, you better subscribe. I promise you. Watch bull run ready. See what happens. See what happens. See what kind of messages we get a year from now. See what kind of life-changing money we see. I'm telling you, it's going to be epic. AMB. I gave you guys this. AMB. Right here. When did I give it to you? The 20th, 2 days ago. I gave you AMB. What happened to AMB? Boom. 50% gains out of AMB in 2 days. These are the top 10 recent DeFi projects. This DeFi is amazing. A lot of money is being made right now. Anything DeFi is popping quickly. ORN up about 26x. Imagine putting $1,000 in something, you got 26,000 shortly after. ALF up 13x. Comp up 4.5x. UMA 8x. BZRX 6x. Stake 8x. JST, Justin Sun's DeFi, up 4.3x. DMG up 3x. DEC 3.7x. BAL 1.5x. Binance has an IEO coming, and it's going to be DeFi related, and that thing is going to explode. Like, people are buying BNB now so they have a chance of the lottery. That thing is going to go wild. That's what it's all about. I want to talk to you guys real quick about buying breakouts and really open up the doors to the idea of buying a retest. So imagine the price action. So let's say this is your confirmation line. The price action breaks out, and then it comes back down and it touches that breakout line. Okay, that's called a retest. This is where all the buyers are sitting at. We would be too. We'd be sitting here waiting for this to happen, and so then boom, the retest, and then it fires off all the buyers. Jumping right into the market, buying the retest. You guys, right now there's a certain aspect to this market where you don't have to nail these entries very well at all. Like, most of the money is being made day after day after day after day. The market's very forgiving right now. But you don't want to get caught in a fake out either. So this is a higher risk idea. You buy the actual breakout, you wait for the candle body to close above the actual confirmation line. What I like to do is I like to buy the retest. So after the breakout comes back down, touches, and then boom, takes off. And again, here's another one where it touches and basically you wait for it to the price action to move higher than the previous high, so it's putting in a higher high as well. This is the safest. This doesn't always happen. Retests don't always happen, but when they do, you can also double down. Let's say you buy here, then you can increase your position by another 50%. So you buy 50% here, then you increase, you put another 50% in at the retest. Boom, life-changing money. Buy the retest. Retests are golden. You will increase your success rate tremendously because you get a ton of fake outs. Everybody knows retail's buying breakouts, right? That's the easiest way to learn to trade. And so you don't get caught by the people that are trying to trick us, that are trying to take our money. Instead of buying the actual breakout, wait for the retest. NKN announced their mobile app, N Mobile, and it's going to be launched for iOS and Android. Chainlink came out, so they're working with T-Systems, a world-class infrastructure team, and secures a large amount of enterprise value today. It's now on the mainnet, helping secure Chainlink's Oracle network. Right now, these are the list of institutional focused custody firms for digital assets. I've got an idea to talk to you about as far as banking. Banks are able to do this going forward and how that's going to completely change and revolutionize the way the crypto market works. But you've got names like Gemini, Fidelity Digital Assets, Ledger Vault, obviously Coinbase custody as well, Paxos, Genesis. I'll follow up with this towards the end of the video, talking about banking. Your local bank might be holding your Bitcoin before you know it. Quark Chain came out, and they said something about DeFi to pump the price. Announced and previewed the DeFi campaigns coming at the end of July. Let's look forward to it. Like, these coins just keep running and running and running and running. It's crazy. I talked to you guys about Ethereum, and this was in yesterday's video. Here's the setup. And again, Bitcoin continues higher. A lot of these larger cap altcoins take off. We could see $275 Ethereum based on this chart alone. Here you go, Ethereum. Ethereum took off today, up 8% at one point. This is Myth. I gave you guys this setup July the 10th. It's right here in the video. Myth is up 107%, killing it. This is IOTX, just putting this one on your radar. Now, BTC trading pairs, how they work is they take a hit if Bitcoin pumps. IOTX didn't really take that big of a hit today, but you want to buy the breakout. You got this like little cup and handle type pattern here. Okay, here's your targets listed over here in the white blocks. There's some upside out of IOTX coming. They put out some DeFi news. Boom. No, but this is a good technical pattern as well. This is Waves. Again, Waves, I had this setup posted previously, broke to the upside, and now it's kind of forming similar patterns, staying on this rising trend line. You would, again, buy, this is not buy now, you'd buy the breakout of this level. Your target's up here listed in the white blocks. DOC, and so I talked to you guys about this when it started to round, when it was rounding, right? Buy the breakout of this level. Well, guess what it did? And this is so important, you guys. If you just understand this one idea, you will make a ton of money in this market. So again, it broke out of this level. Now, maybe you didn't take profits here, but it double topped, right? Double top reversal. Came back down here and essentially kind of retested this support, took off again. Bitcoin pumped. Here it is again, retest. Guess what's next? Boom, at some point. As long as if Bitcoin pumps crazy, all BTC pairs will take a hit. ADA, show us something. ADA USDT, watching this triangle. ADA, one more push higher. Let's do this. Shelley news launch coming July the 29th. Do not miss ADA. Next boom coming. Targets up here listed over here on the right side in the white. Bitcoin dominance is getting wrecked. Dude, I've never been so happy to see Bitcoin dominance getting wrecked. Why? Because this means altcoin, all the money is flowing in the altcoins. Now, when the larger caps, man, they're most of them really Ethereum's market cap by percentage is huge compared to the other altcoins put together. So know that if this support breaks, dude, altcoins are going to take off, larger caps as well. So imagine Bitcoin kind of continuing higher, this dropping. You could see alt BTC pairs green, alt USDT pairs green, and Bitcoin dominance dropping. And that's really the pure definition of altcoin season. Mega altcoin money. Let's get it. Banks can now provide custody services for cryptocurrencies. Any national bank can hold on to unique cryptographic keys for a cryptocurrency wallet, clearing the way for national banks to hold digital assets for their clients. Banks may offer more secure storage services compared to existing options. Now, so this is big. I mean, you can imagine you go to your local bank, you have you write your checkbook, you can have them take care of your Bitcoin. People will like this. People like to have somebody else in charge of their money, right? They don't want to be in charge of, if you got a couple hundred G's in crypto, like and you got it on a Trezor wallet or Ledger wallet or however you store it, toss in the safe. Like, is that really comfortable for mainstream adoption in the United States? No. I think that people like the idea of custody services. I think banks, people like to have somebody they can go to and talk to about their finances. And I think this is going to be huge going forward for cryptocurrency. Tyler Winklevoss, who is Gemini co-founder, co-owner, he said it's good for Bitcoin when the Fed prints money. Yeah, no doubt. Dude, it's been crazy. Money machines just keep pumping out that fiat. Bitcoin's been holding on. Everybody's like, oh no, the economy is crumbling. But the Fed, they just keep printing money, pumping the price. Senate hearing sees the digital dollar as a tool for economic supremacy. So in a recent Senate hearing, they're talking about technologies like 5G, supply chain dependence, and also crypto was brought up as one of many possible tools to maintain U.S. economic supremacy. This could be interpreted as crypto's increasing acceptance as a mainstream idea. It basically went on to state, and I quote, "For us, maintaining the dollar supremacy is not only an economic matter, it's a critical strategic matter as well." So where is this coming from? They see China coming with a centralized banking currency, and they say, hey, we got to step up. Digital dollar is coming, and that's going to present a new paradigm, I think, for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. How is that going to affect stablecoins? How is that going to affect its market? So interesting to see how this unfolds with you guys. DeFi founder believes yield farming is a huge problem. So it's important to understand there's a lot of high risk ideas going on with this yield farming. There's $3 billion currently locked in decentralized finance ecosystem right now. Yield farming annual percentage returns are 331% for the Y pool at Curve Finance. Interest will not remain in such ranges for a long time. It's kind of an initial type of boom, if you will. This is going to be a giant stress test for a lot of people, a lot of these cryptos. And so just want to make sure you guys are on point and understand exactly what you're getting yourself into. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.